Stay all over me, don't be shy. Take control of
Can you do a 2024 look? Okay, bitch, let's do that. Number one, it's gonna be skincare. You cannot skip skincare because if you skip skincare, your makeup is gonna look like trash, okay? Like, I'm sorry, but spend a little bit more money on the skincare and then on the makeup, you can kind of like lowball a little bit, but the bitch...
the vibe. It's gonna be lit tonight. Baby girl, you give me 10 ton of fatness. Give me some of that. Links with the badness. Look how she at. Shape like that.
Moisturizer, I'm just gonna leave it up to you, but me personally, I like to use my triple repair face moisturizer, and it always gets these like little pieces, bitch. Y'all know I fucking hate those, but let's just moisturize the face. Why do you even need primer when my skin is already fucking giving tacky, bitch? Like, what?
Remembering all the touch. Mainly my aim is to give it this love. If not, the way you move. Let me acknowledge the way you do. Then I would not lie, baby. You beat me up like Roddy. It's how hypnotic.
My eyebrows are fucking slaying, bitch. I'm gonna go in with my House Labs foundation. This shit is so fucking good, bitch. Like, you'll not regret buying it, okay? Like, bitch, just try it at least at the store, and then you're gonna fucking fall in love, bitch, okay? I like to warm it up into the skin with my fingers. When you're blending this into the skin, you wanna just tap it in and...
And I would not like a baby. You moves how hypnotic. No lie. Girl, you never me feel your eyes. They all over me. Don't be shy. Take control of me. It's the vibe. It's gonna be lit tonight.
Bitch, I did not apply any foundation right where my concealer is gonna go because I'm gonna be doing like 2 layers of concealer, so I don't want any of it to crease. I'm doing some concealer right here, right up here. I think I'm also gonna do just a little bit here to like brighten this little area up, and also on the forehead, bitch.
My girl, you love it when you may not hold it. Now let me bone it and let me own it. My girl, if you want the style that I have mastered, I say what, baby girl, that's my word. Give it the good loving that.
And this is the Juvia's Place Barbie Rose. Literally 1 dot. Because you don't want to do more than that. Trust me. Bitch, okay, to blend it, you want to keep it all concentrated at the top. And then once it's all blended, you want to kind of like go down a little bit into your motherfucking concealer area. Personally, like to bring a little... with the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. I need to shut up for this. Bitch, the lips are not gonna be for everyone, but bitch, they're for me. And I say 2024, let's bring back some fucking bold colors into play, bitch, because